Cherish your pregnancy journey and each trimester along the way with this Sonogram progression frame by Pearhead. Includes white wooden frame with attached hanger and easel for easy wall mounting or tabletop displaying. This pregnancy keepsake frame is the perfect home decor accessory for anywhere in your home, including your baby girl's nursery or baby boy's nursery. Expecting parents will love filling out this Sonogram frame as their soon-to-be baby grows. This baby keepsake frame makes the perfect new baby gift, baby girl gift, baby boy gift, expecting mother gift, soon-to-be mom gift, Mother's Day gift, or addition to your own baby shower gift registry. Frame dimensions: 17L x 7.5 W x 0.56D. Photo inserts: 2.5 W x 3.75 H. Top reviews from the United States. Cute lil frame smile. Cute, sturdy lil white frame. Goes with any nursery theme.